Namaste everyone. Now I am here with the second part of my previous video. We the people know very well that the road is a public property and very important in order to travel from one place to another. It is a very useful resource. I want to tell you, imagine a journey on poor, polluted and dirty road. Life without roads, you will feel that life would be so harder without it. So, I want to tell you the time has come and we all should take collective responsibility to make our surroundings clean and green. So, thanks, loving child, for your kind and gentle message in favor of loving nature. Thank you once again.